Welcome to the Springs 2 simulation. Select and place the ruler next to a spring to measure its initial length. Select and place a weight on the spring. Choose the red stop sign button to stop the spring's motion. Select the unstretched length and resting position options in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Use the ruler to measure the amount of stretch experienced by the spring due to the added weight. You can change the stiffness of a spring by using the spring strength slider. Use the mass slider to change the mass of the weight placed on the spring. Select the orange Reset button on the bottom right side of the screen to return the screen to its original state.